Everybody, BP Car Audio, back with this big old huge red Sony amplifier. We got the parts in. I don't know if you can see them or not, if I can get this thing to focus. Yeah, 6 brand new mouse seats there. 6 brand new mouse seats there. It used to have 6 on this side and 4 on this side. But we're getting a little beefier, adding them up. I also had to replace these 6 resistors right here. Those are the gate resistors, 1 ohm each. They were all toast. I gotta get me another screw. Other than that, we're gonna beef her up, see what blows next. I put power to it, the lights come on, relays click. This will probably be the next upgrade right here, is these bias resistors for the amplifiers themselves. So we'll have to see where we go from there. Just wanted to give a little update, and we'll make another video when we actually power this thing up and put some sound through it. Anyway, just want to make a quick video here. It's about 0 degrees outside and -20 wind chill, so no work tomorrow because of the wind chill. So anyway, check me out on Facebook at BP Car Audio, all one word, on Twitter at BP Car Audio. And like the video if you like it. If you don't like it, don't like it. Leave a comment if you feel you need to. And if you are subscribed and you're not getting notifications, there is a little icon down below. It's a gear icon, I do believe, or a bell, one of the two. Either way, you'll find it there next to the subscribe button. And make sure you click on that so you're getting updates. And follow me on social media too. Like I said, Facebook and Twitter. I usually post on there when I have videos, and if I don't, just come back and check the channel. That's all for now, guys. It's been pretty hard. We've got ice, snow, sub-zero temperatures. Helped a friend put in a stereo tonight in his Oldsmobile Lero. That was a lot of fun, let me tell you. Figuring out where the power was, and then the kit. We bought one of these kits. You can't really see it. One of them things. Yeah. Wasn't quite right, but we made it work. With the help of the wonderful Dremel. So anyway, everybody stay warm, stay out of the dishes, and hopefully we'll get some more videos coming here soon. Thanks for watching.